This is for my buddy Sean. Lights out in the truck at work. Got the dash right there. The bird meters, you can barely see them. I'm gonna light everything up. Got the radio down here on the hump. I know how you like the blue. This cotton pigger ain't gonna focus for me. There we go. Anyway, so we got down here. Got the dash for the driver, for the big box. Over on the right side of the ashtray, or left side of the ashtray, we got our voltage. Sitting at 13.8 at an idle. We got our two-way lights. Got the red. Those hot spots are really hot on the camera, I could tell, but they're not that hot in person. And then your favorite color. Got the blue. Oh, in the corner. Oh, in the corner. So reflect. It's a 10 watt. It's a 10 watt slug and a reflex. So that's about a watt. Yep, about a watt. Hello. Modulate about a watt and a half. Reflect. Take that P kit off. Yo, ta 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 ta. Yo, ta 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 ta. Oh, about 400 RMS. And that's it for now. All right then, I'll put it on you later.